you decided to show up.
We are here and we are ready to rock and roll. You guys ready to do this? Round 2, round 3. Which round are we on? I don't know, but I'm ready to party. There's a guy behind us by himself. He's pretty lonely looking. Take a peek.
Where are we?
So Dane, we're in Colonial Williamsburg, right? Williamsburg.
We're in Colonial
We are in
part of the Revolutionary era.
Yeah. So they have some.
They've got some drums and some
We totally
pipes.
came here on purpose, though, right?
We can get some drums and some
Kind of,
pipes.
yeah. I actually came here to go to the bathroom. I mean, we made a pit stop here thinking it was just going to be a bathroom break. Then we find out it's this whole town, and so it's like, how often are we going to come back to this place? So why not go and check it out, right?
Right.
Hey guys, the Rank Company here at Fantomworks. We're hanging out. Let's go inside and check out all these amazing cars.
This is going to be really cool. Crazy. So crazy. So we are finishing up our tour here at Fantomworks. Levi, what do you think of this place?
This place is heaven. This is where I want to go when I die. I'm gonna haunt this building.
When we talked to Dan, I asked him, I said, where do you get all this stuff? Like, you know, who does all of your decorating? And he said, I do, whether it's old collectible shops or yard sales or garage sales, you know, anything like that.
Yeah.
And it looks so well planned out, but really he's the kind of guy that says, we'll just put that there and this will go here. And it just looks good. It's amazing. So Levi has some garage ideas for his house when we get back home. We can't leave him here because things might go missing. We need to make sure we take him with us. But thanks to the guys at Fantomworks for letting us come out, check this place out, do some filming, show you guys something that maybe you guys don't see on the show itself. So this has been an awesome tour. We're excited for the rest of the trip here on the East Coast.
Now we got to drive back up north.
7 hours.
Oh, boy.
So we'll see you on the road.
It's gonna be great.
So, Levi, we're on an interesting road. What's going on here?
We're on the Sawmill River Parkway. Jeremy Harding of Rupes told us to take it. I have now put the Sorrento in sport mode for it. So it is a very windy 2-lane, gorgeous.
It's very wooded.
Yes.
It is very wooded.
Well, we're on our way into Connecticut to hook up with Thomas Palancia of Simoniz. Tom, we're coming! Hey guys, Levi and the Rag Company. We are here in West Hartford, Connecticut. We wanted to check out the Simoniz Garage. So we're gonna go meet my buddy Tom Palancia and he's gonna give us a tour of this place. It's a pretty cool little shop. Oh, that can't be good. Police are already here for you, Tom.
What's going on, Levi?
Good to see you, brother. Thanks, man. Thanks for having us.
Of course, of course.
Well, you know, I've only seen this in videos, but I am excited to check this place out. Awesome, brother. Well, I appreciate you letting us come hang out and check this place out.
Yeah.
If people want to know more about Simoniz and the garage, where can they go?
SimoniZGarage.com. But everything, you can really get there either way.
Awesome. Just so everyone knows, we're all on the 3rd floor of the Hampton Inn and Paramus.
Look at that view.
My hotel room.
3 Jersey jug handles out there.
And Travis is on the 5th floor.
It just makes sense.
Yeah.
But I think crap, I should have been recording. I missed it. Anthony, what happened?
All right, so we're pulling up on this road here, and there's a decent amount of traffic that has stopped, and we see a guy out in the middle of the road walking to something in the road.
Like his truck was
and his
parked
truck
over
was
in the...
parked. And
Yeah.
we're like, what is this guy doing? Is he like grabbing a shoe or something? He goes over, picks up what looks to be a turtle, and we're thinking, what a nice guy, right? He's picking up this turtle, he's gonna go set it off to the side. Guy grabs it, hucks it over a freaking bridge. And I'm like, oh my God!
There was like a high fence, so I guess that was his logic, was he couldn't walk it over.
No!
He just threw it.
Chucked the damn thing. Alright guys, so me and Dane are on the road heading to Rob Ferretti's house to go do a video with him, which is really exciting. Right now we're stopping to get gas, grab some Red Bulls, grab some food, waters, whatever we need. Gonna head over there, knock out this video, go back to Detailer's Domain, say hi to everybody, and then prepare for tomorrow, which is the open house. Hey guys, it's Anthony from the Rag Company, and welcome to Wash Wednesday. You might recognize him, Mr. Spaghetti himself, Rob Ferretti.
How are you?
Good to see you.
All I heard was free car wash.
One of these pallets can drive the whole
North
car.
or south?
We're gonna north.
North Korean?
No, sorry. It's funner to drive a slow car fast and a fast car slow. Sometimes, you know what I mean, depending on what it
People
is.
with slow cars say, but
So if you guys are wondering why Dane and Anthony aren't here, they actually are over at Rob Ferretti's doing a podcast with Rob at home.
Simon podcast.
Yeah.
Super speeder.
Yeah.
this one goes up, and you guys can check out my video with them on their channel. The outtakes are probably going to be much better.
Because I always pepper in one moment.
Yeah,
after
one
the
completely
end of the video.
inappropriate.
We got like,
Right
we got
there,
like, we got
just-
like 7
You,
or
you could
10.
just
You
run
gave
an
us some
extra.
good
Yeah, you
ones.
could double
You gave
the
us some good
video with
ones.
the inappropriateness that I drop.
All right, on our way to the Detailer's Domain open house event.
Yes, we are. So this is it right here. You got all these people out here. BMWs literally everywhere.
The destination is on your right.
being the rag
only
company.
a select few.
up.
Only a select few get this privilege.
Yeah.
So it's always really nice.
What's known as car 174.
Yeah. It's a lucky one. Oh my gosh, this keeps rolling around.
Well, what's going on?
So Chris Hemsworth, aka Thor, just came in through the airport there.
I swear, but I'm so bad. I always second guess myself.
Which is pretty cool. I know we're all like kind of fangirling about that, but literally people are like running to go take pictures with him, which is super funny. Yeah, pretty cool. You never know what you find in an airport.